she's a local gal who created baby accessories, and some of the biggest stars have purchased. Amy's with London Raquel.
Okay, first off, look at all the models that we have today. They are all sporting these headbands. London Raquel, they're shabby chic headbands. Introduce yourself.
Hi, everybody. I'm Casey Fox.
And you're the creator of London Raquel.
Yes, I am.
Which is so great. And you are, sir.
I'm the man behind the girl.
You're the man behind the girl. Is this too much right here? I love your headband.
You didn't overdo it today, I'm telling you.
So first off, this is so great because not only are you local, you hand make everything.
Yeah, everything is handmade by me and just a couple employees.
And how long does it take you to make one in particular? They're so detailed with jewels and diamonds and feathers.
And they're pretty detailed. I mean, they'll take us anywhere from like maybe a simple one, like a newborn one, that could take like maybe 10, 15 minutes. But our most intricate ones, like our sashes, those can take up to like 45 to an hour. So they're very detailed and they take a lot of work.
So the biggest thing that caught my eye is here you start making this locally and then you get Jessica Simpson's brand new baby, her daughter, to wear this. The Kardashian family purchased this for baby Penelope.
I know.
Were you shocked?
Honestly, I about died when I found out they were wearing it. Like, I saw the headbands in the magazine because I stalked them, and I saw a feather. I'm like, oh my gosh, that looks so much like our headband.
How did you get it in their hands?
I sent them a bunch of stuff, but not expecting them to like ever see it or wear it, because usually they just toss them away or give them to charity.
Yes.
And so when they kept them, that was like really flattering.
Yes.
We were so happy.
Okay, let's start with the models. Okay, let's start right here. Talk to me about what she's wearing. What does she have here?
She's got one of our dresses we sell on our website, as well as one of our necklaces.
Wait, you have dresses too?
Yes.
We do.
All these clothes?
Most
and more.
Clothing, yes, and more.
Everything the models are wearing are stuff that we sell on LondonRaquel.com, and all of the headpieces, if you can kind of see the different styles, you've got like more of a crystal hand-beaded piece that's super in right now, and then we've got, you know, the classic feathery Gatsby look that's super fun.
I don't want to forget about the two little babies on the end, because look at even their feet. Did you make these little tootsie things?
You know, we don't make those, but we pick out everything that we bring in, like all the clothing. We don't make the clothing, it's just the headbands, but those are little flower sandals that are available on our website too, and those little ruffle leggings, I believe, are from Taylor Joelle and Doll Cake.
Everything is shabby chic. What's your website if people want to order this? I'm telling you, everyone's going to want. They're so cute.
So nice. It's www.londonraquel.com, and we're actually doing a promo. Nick can tell you the code.
Yes, it's Good Day 20, and you'll save 20% off if you order today.
I love that. Now, where's your headband? Thank you so much for coming on. Love all the models, and look at the moms here in studio too.
Oh, the paparazzi. Oh, they're scattering. Oh, the light came on and they scattered.
All right, LondonRaquel.com. Go to the information. We'll link it to the Good Day Sacramento page. Cody, over to you.
Awesome. They really are spectacular. Yeah, they're really neat. Really neat.